In this video, I'll guide you through how to add a chatbot in Hostinger Website Builder. By the end, you'll have an interactive chat bubble live on your site, ready to help your visitors with questions, support, or even sales. We'll keep things straightforward and beginner-friendly so you can follow along even if you've never added custom code to a website before. First, you'll need to create your chatbot using the platform of your choice. Many people use tools like VoiceFlow, but you can use any chatbot service that gives you a small piece of code to embed on your site. On your chosen platform, build or configure your bot the way you like. This usually means setting up the conversation flow, responses, and any integrations you want, like FAQs or contact forms. Once your bot is set up and you're happy with how it behaves in the chatbot platform's preview, look for a section typically called Share, Install, Publish, or something similar. In that section, you should find a JavaScript or HTML snippet. This is the small block of code that will connect your website to the chatbot service. Carefully copy that entire snippet, don't change anything inside it, and make sure you grab all of it, from the very first character to the very last, so it works correctly when you paste it into your site. With your snippet copied, it's time to switch over to Hostinger Website Builder. Open your website in the builder and go into the editor where you normally customize your pages. On the left or top panel, look for the Add Element button, usually represented by a plus sign. Click that plus button to open the list of elements that you can add to the page. From this list, find the element called Embed Code. This is the tool that lets you place custom code like your chatbot snippet onto the site. Click and drag the Embed Code element onto your page. For most chatbots that appear as a floating chat bubble in the corner of the screen, the exact placement of this element on the page layout doesn't matter too much. A common tidy choice is to drop it somewhere near the footer or bottom section of the page, just to keep your editor view organized. What matters most is that it's added to the page where you want the chatbot to be active. Once the embed code element is on your page, click on it to open its settings. You should see an option that says something like Enter Code or Edit Code. Select that option, and a small window or panel will appear where you can paste your chatbot snippet. Paste the JavaScript or HTML snippet you copied from your chatbot platform directly into this code box. Again, don't edit the snippet unless your chatbot provider specifically instructs you to. After pasting, confirm or save the changes in that window. Finally, publish or update your site in Hostinger Website Builder, then open your live website in a new browser tab. You should now see your chatbot, usually as a chat bubble in the corner of the screen, ready to interact with visitors. If you don't see it immediately, try clearing your browser cache or checking that you publish the latest version of your site. That's all it takes to add a chatbot to your Hostinger site using the website builder. Create your bot, copy the snippet, embed the code, and publish.